If you're an employer who files Form 941, staying on top of filing deadlines is essential. Form 941, the employer's quarterly federal tax return, is used to report wages to employees as well as the federal income tax, Social Security tax, and Medicare tax withheld from employee paychecks. Because it's a quarterly form, employers must submit Form 941 4 times each year to remain compliant with IRS payroll tax reporting requirements. Form 941 is filed quarterly, and the deadline is the last day of the month following the end of each quarter. Each return reports payroll tax information for wages paid during a specific 3-month period. Even if your business had no payroll tax liability during a quarter, you may still be required to file the form to remain compliant with IRS requirements. For the 2026 tax year, employers must file Form 941 on the following dates. First quarter, covering January through March of 2026, is due by April 30th, 2026. Second quarter, from April through June of 2026, is due by July 31st, 2026. Third quarter, spanning July through September of 2026, is due by October 31st, 2026. And fourth quarter, covering October through December of 2026, is due by January 31st of 2027. These deadlines apply to most employers filing Form 941 each quarter. There are a few important things employers should remember about Form 941 deadlines. If a due date falls on a weekend or federal holiday, the deadline automatically moves to the next business day. Also, if you deposit all payroll taxes on time, the IRS may allow an additional 10 calendar days to file the return. However, filing late without meeting these conditions may result in IRS penalties and interest. Form 941 plays a critical role in payroll tax compliance. It ensures the IRS receives accurate reports on employee wages, federal income tax withheld, Social Security taxes, and Medicare taxes. Missing a filing deadline can result in penalties, so it's important for employers to track deadlines carefully and file each quarter. Keeping track of quarterly deadlines can be challenging, especially for growing businesses or tax professionals managing multiple clients. With TaxBandits, you can easily prepare an e-file Form 941 online, receive instant IRS acknowledgments, manage filings for multiple businesses, and stay on top of deadlines with built-in reminders. As an IRS-authorized e-file provider, TaxBandits helps businesses file Form 941 quickly, securely, and accurately. To recap, Form 941 must be filed quarterly, and the due dates for the 2026 tax year are April 30th, 2026, July 31st, 2026, October 31st, 2026, and January 31st, 2027. Filing on time helps your business stay compliant and avoid unnecessary penalties. When you're ready to file, simplify the process by e-filing Form 941 with TaxBandits. Visit TaxBandits.com to get started today.